For over 2 years, the disappearance of social media influencer Donna-Lee Donaldson has been a national tragedy, shrouded in a painful, agonizing silence. The trial of Constable Noel Maitland has carried the full weight of a nation demanding justice. Now, that silence has been broken. The courtroom this week was dominated not by speculation or hearsay, but by the cold, scientific language of forensics. The testimony delivered by the forensic scientist is the most definitive, most chilling evidence presented yet. Today, we break down this critical testimony. We analyze what the DNA evidence found in Maitland's apartment actually means for the case, and how this scientific truth fundamentally alters the defense's strategy. This is an objective, high-value look at the evidence that could ultimately determine the verdict. The prosecution's case has always hinged on linking Donna-Lee Donaldson to the environment of the accused, Constable Noel Maitland. The crime scene, Maitland's apartment, was crucial. The forensic scientist testified to the court that samples taken from the apartment contained human blood. But the key breakthrough, the moment that shifted the trial's gravity, was the confirmation. The blood found matched the DNA profile of Donna-Lee Donaldson. This is scientific certainty. This is evidence that transcends witness memory or cross-examination tactics. The simple, brutal fact is now entered into the court record. The blood of the missing woman was found in the home of the accused. We must understand the judicial weight of this. In the absence of a body, which is the prosecution's greatest hurdle, DNA evidence linking the victim to the suspect's known environment becomes the crucial circumstantial pillar upon which the entire case rests. It establishes presence, and it establishes violence. The defense team for Constable Maitland now faces an unprecedented legal challenge. Their initial strategy must have been to sow doubt about the circumstances of the disappearance, but the DNA evidence severely restricts their options. Challenging the chain of custody, the defense's primary tactic must be to attack the integrity of the evidence. Was the sample collected correctly? Was it stored properly? Was the DNA analysis itself flawless? This is where the cross-examination of the forensic scientist becomes a pivotal moment of legal warfare. The absence of a body, the charge of preventing the lawful burial of a corpse, requires the jury to believe a death occurred and the body was disposed of. The DNA evidence doesn't prove the who or the how of the death, but it provides powerful scientific proof that something catastrophic occurred to Donna-Lee Donaldson inside that apartment. Maitland's demeanor. News reports noted that Constable Maitland sat stoic, abandoning his usual note-taking during the testimony. This is the human drama of the trial, suggesting the weight of the evidence is immense, even for the accused. This trial is more than a single case. It is a national test of the justice system. The immense public pressure surrounding this case is a demand for transparency and accountability for crimes against women. The success of the forensic testimony signals a critical evolution in how Jamaica pursues justice in complex, high-profile cases. We must demand that the judiciary and the media handle this evidence with the gravity and objectivity it deserves, resisting the urge for sensationalism. The key takeaway for the public is this: the quality of the forensic investigation and the DNA testimony represents the best possible use of scientific resources to provide justice where the traditional evidence of a body is missing. This sets a precedent for every future case in Jamaica where evidence relies heavily on science. The forensic truth has now been laid bare. The DNA evidence, linking Donna-Lee Donaldson to the apartment of the accused, is a powerful and potentially devastating blow to the defense's case. The trial now moves into its final, most unpredictable chapters. The public has the scientific facts. The jury has the scientific facts. The remaining task is to see how the legal system interprets and applies this powerful evidence to deliver the verdict. The pursuit of justice in this trial is a direct reflection of Jamaica's commitment to accountability. What do you believe is the ultimate impact of the DNA testimony on the outcome of this trial? Let us know your insights on the evidence in the comments below. And if you found this detailed breakdown valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more high-value, objective analysis.